नबिय्य बादा अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अर्रहमानु अल्लमल कुरआन खलक़ल इंसान अल्लमहुल बयान वक़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इन्न मिनल बयानि लसिहरा औ कमा क़ाल अलैहि सलातु वस्सलाम। My respected teachers, dear classmates, and all the respected guests and special guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion, a milestone in our spiritual journey. The completion of the Holy Quran means Khatmul Quran is a testament to our devotion, perseverance and love for the words of Allah. As we close the final chapter of the Quran, we are reminded of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's words. The Quran is the guidance, the light and the mercy. It is the healer of our hearts and souls. The Quran is more than just a book. It is the way of life. It guides us through the complexities of this world, offering solutions to our problems, comfort in times of sorrow, and wisdom in times of uncertainty. The completion of the Quran is not just a personal achievement. It is a collective victory for our community. It is a testament to the power of unity, solidarity, and shared purpose. As we celebrate this occasion, let us not forget the true purpose of the Quran. Let us not forget that the Quran is a call to action, a call to live a life of righteousness, compassion, and justice. In conclusion, I would like to recite a verse from the Quran, and indeed, this Quran is a revelation from the Lord of the worlds. May Allah accept our recitation of the Quran and grant us the wisdom, guidance, and strength to live by His teachings. Ameen. Wassalam.